Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy products on eBay safely and easily, whether you're shopping for gadgets, clothes, collectibles or anything else. Let's jump right into it. Now the first step is to create or log into your eBay account. And to do that, just search for ebay.com and click on the website. Now once the website appears, make sure you register. If you don't have an account already, click on register in the top left. If you already have an account, just log in using your account's credentials. Now once logged in, search for the item you want. Use the search bar here at the top of the page and filter results by price, location, shipping and conditions. For example, we're going to choose Nike. And here you'll find filters, for example, by color, by material, by shipping, options, etc. Now, the third step is to review product details. Click the item to open the listing. For example, we're going to choose the first one right here for this example. Now here, you're going to check the photos, the description, the seller's rating, the shipping cost, and the return policy carefully. You can all find this information right here. You can find the shipping, the delivery, dates, etc., the policy, return policy, and the payment methods. Here you're gonna see the price and the available sizes, and you can also select the quantity, how much of this product you want, and you can click on add carts. You can also click buy it now or place a bid. If it's a fixed price item, click buy it now. If it's an auction, place your bid and wait for the auction to end. As for the fifth step is to complete your purchase. You can do this by entering your shipping address and selecting the payment method. And you're going to confirm. Now here you're going to click on buy it now, for example. And you're going to be proceeded to check out directly. Here you're going to enter your address and your payment method whether you're using PayPal, Google Pay or your credit card. And confirm and pay. And you're done. Your product is now on its way. Always check the seller's feedback score before buying and look for listings with free returns for peace of mind, and use the filters for items near me if you want faster shipping. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.